A Denver school closes early after a student's parent tests positive for coronavirus tonight. St. Anne's Episcopal says it does plan to hold classes on Monday. That's just one of the new cases confirmed here in Colorado. There are now 8 presumptive cases in all. An important note, 7 of the 8 people had recently traveled internationally, and none of them have had to be hospitalized. Carl, last night we told you about the state's first case up in Summit County and the second in Douglas County. Today, 2 cases were confirmed in Denver, 1 in El Paso County, 1 in Eagle County, and 2 more in Douglas. Today, Governor Polis said he's not surprised.
Well, it's really expected, frankly, as we're testing more people, we're expecting more positives. We've seen this pattern in many other states.
Kelly Worthman is on our top story tonight. So, Kelly, we know one of the cases in Denver is a woman in her 70s exposed while traveling internationally. The other, that parent at St. Anne's.
And Jim, it is important to point out here that school officials say that that parent has not been on this campus for a month. But out of an abundance of caution, the school administrators closed the school today, and crews will be spending the weekend disinfecting the buildings. Students of St. Anne's Episcopal School got a jump start to the weekend after administrators decided to close early due to coronavirus concerns.
I respect it, but that's not something we would have ordered at this point in time.
Denver's Department of Public Health and Environment confirmed a student's parent who recently traveled internationally tested positive for COVID-19. However, Executive Director Bob McDonald doesn't believe the school closing was necessary.
Because we have a parent who had a student who went to a school, that student is not infectious. The timing for that isn't right.
That parent, a man in his 40s, is now in isolation at home, where his 3 family members are also under quarantine, as the case does not require hospitalization.
For everyone who is tested positive that we place under isolation, they will experience symptoms very similar to influenza. But they don't need medical care.
Health officials said they expect to see more cases of coronavirus in the Denver area, but are prepared to manage them. And it's also likely many cases will go unreported.
We also have a lot of folks who might come in contact, develop symptoms, don't report because the symptoms are so manageable, and so our case counts end up looking a little bit lower.
Now, these new and growing cases around the metro area does have some people questioning if they should perhaps change their weekend plans and stay home. Well, the city's public health department is saying, no, definitely don't need to stay home, but they emphasize the critical importance of washing our hands frequently. Reporting live in Denver, Kelly Worthman covering Colorado First.
Thanks, Kelly. The Douglas County School District says there has been a potential coronavirus exposure at Ranchview Middle School. Now, in response, the district is going to be canceling the weekend's musical performances, including schoolhouse rock shows and the district's solo and ensemble festival. The district did send a letter out to the parents and school community today.